Hello everyone, it's me Romy. My breakfast and lunch for today is rice, pancit canton, and 2 eggs. So, yan lang kinain ko for today kasi ang oras is malapit na mag-11, so diretsahan na itong tanghalian. Ayan, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. And don't forget to share.